Hey, hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So, today I'm gonna do Dogman with Ethan, okay? I got the newest Dogman book and maybe that wouldn't be good, okay? Okay, ready? So just shout out to Samar Kapate because he's in my class and he watched it. So I told you to watch this. Sorry I posted it late, but okay, so I gotta be quiet because it's bedtime. Okay, so back to the thing. Alright, right now for Dogman Tuesday, we got introducing, drum roll please. Dogman Big Jim Weaves. Alright. So now I just gotta do it. Alright. So let me read the story. So it starts off with Sir Haddoff reports. Hey folks, I'm Sir Haddoff and this is Zoo. In case you're just joining us, you might be wondering, why do we look so different? Fortunately, we have a recap featuring high-tech. Okay, this might take a while, so I'm just gonna skip to the good part, like the football dramas. Alright guys, here's the exciting part, boy. There's the end. If you want to draw, take a picture. Dogman. Boom. Bye.